How to set up vocal shortcuts for iPhone and iOS 18. Today, I'll show you how to set up vocal shortcuts on your iPhone running iOS 18. These shortcuts let you perform tasks with just your voice, making your iPhone experience even more seamless. Let's dive in. Open the Settings app, scroll down to Accessibility, and then tap on Vocal Shortcuts under the Speech section. Here's where the magic happens. You can assign a custom phrase to a specific action. Tap Set up vocal shortcuts. Choose an action like opening Siri and enter a unique speakable phrase that will trigger the action. For example, you might choose Open Calculator. Next, you'll need to speak the phrase 3 times to train your iPhone to recognize your voice. Once that's done, you're all set. Now, you can simply say your custom phrase to perform that action. No button pressing needed. Want more shortcuts? Just tap Add Action, follow the same steps, and assign a new speakable phrase. For example, I'll use lock, lock, lock to lock my screen. To edit or disable any shortcut, tap the Edit button at the top right, hit the red minus sign, and then Delete. It's that simple. That's how easy it is to set up vocal shortcuts in iOS 18. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to get notified about more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.